Welcome to Bamboo, and let's help you learn how to make the best of your Bamboo experience. Bamboo gives you the ability to invest in the US stock market, the best place to invest money in the world. You can invest with any amount you like, regardless of the share price, and become a part owner of some of the world's largest businesses like Apple, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Once you have made a minimum deposit of $20, you can buy little pieces of shares called fractional shares with whatever you have. You make money when the share price rises and you sell at a higher price than when you bought it, or when a company whose shares you own distributes some of its profits to shareholders. These are called dividends. Your investments being safe is our #1 priority. That's why all accounts on Bamboo are insured by the US Securities Investor Protection Corporation, also known as the SIPC, up to $500,000. We have also come up with different ways to help you make the best investment decisions. First, we've put together the Bamboo Stock Market course, a 20-minute video course that'll teach you everything you need to know about investing in the US stock market. By the end of the course, you'll be investing like Warren Buffett. While we cannot give any stock recommendations, we've teamed up with partners who can. Once a month, we send out the My Wall Street Stock of the Month email to our active investors. Also, as a Bamboo user, you can get 1 year of free stock advice by signing up to the monthly Full Stock Advisor. There's also a media hub which has all the free guides, videos, special content, and loads more for you to learn everything about the stock market. Finally, each week, we send out newsletters filled with stock market updates just for you. The first is the Bamboo Leaf, which answers questions a new investor may have. The second, the Bamboo Splinter, gives you 3 most important pieces of news from the stock market every day. The link to subscribe is in the description of this video. Finally, there's the Bamboo Watch List, where we let you know the companies we're thinking about buying. This only goes to our active investors, so if you want to get it, make sure you deposit as soon as this video ends. We're always here to help, and if you have any questions, please email us at support@investbamboo.com. Thank you and happy investing!